Hi Iris, this is your love reading for the next 7 days. I have taken out cards for you and your special person, someone who is there in your life. I am talking about that person. This is about a couple situation which I'll be talking about. Or if you have some interest in someone, you will be able to know what I am talking about here. Mm, so I will first talk about them, then about you and mutual, and then outcome and advice. Before that, I'm going to read out a card. What is the overall, you know, feeling? What feeling you will feel in this period, and what kind of changes are going to happen? This one card is telling me from the psychic tarot that what the mood will be. The mood will be of truth. You would be looking at the truth or seeking the truth. That is what I am seeing. So the truth card is actually the judgment card. So judgment situation is here in your love life. The qualities of this card illustrate that there will be spiritual awakening, clarity, the revelation of truth, and cosmic consciousness. So, it is also called the wake up call or resurrection. The truth card reminds you that a significant change must be made in a certain area of your life. So, this is your love area, but don't make any hasty decisions. Take your time for any choices or alterations that must be weighed and evaluated with the most careful and wisest of judgments. Whatever steps you take now will have a far reaching consequence, more than you will ever know. So, what you have to do is that what was once not obvious will now be realized and understood. So something which was eluding you at in your love life will now come in the fore. Be honest with yourself and trust what you know to be true. So this is what the judgment card or the truth card is telling you. So let's see what is your crowning energy, what is the lingering feeling right now. You are going through a struggle in your love life, that is for sure. That's why the judgment is happening. A struggle is taking place, but you always get to a better situation in your love, but there is everyday struggle. There is everyday struggle because of other people interference in your love life, or there could be situations of distance in your love, or there can be problems of arguments or fighting, or some disturbance keeps coming and you are challenged in this love, but you always win, or you always are the warrior like in this love situation, and you make sure that this love keeps happening, the relationship is there, the initiative is taken. So you are on the higher ground because you are connected with the person you love, and you make sure that you are always trying to somehow ward off the challenges in this love situation. I am seeing that a new beginning will come. You are looking at a passion wand, you are looking at a ace of wand. What is this ace of wand? You have this hope that something will be offered to you by someone whom you love, or a new love situation can develop for you. It will be something which will burn the passion again. So passion will again reignite. That is what you feel, that a new beginning is required in an old love, or a new love is coming to you. Whatever the circumstance, you feel that it will be ignited and the life force in this love will grow. So what is your person thinking about you? Your person thinks that you are the Nine of Pentacles, you are the Empress, the junior Empress, or a person who is abundant, a person who is happy, a person who is earning their living, enjoying their hard work, and enjoying the results of their hard work. So they look at you as an independent person, they look at you as a person who is well off, who is comfortable, and who has a single life, or a person who is self-sufficient. That is what they feel. But they have this feeling that either you or they themselves are walking out or moving on from this love situation. So they feel that maybe you are moving on from this love situation. They feel that you are not fulfilled in this love and you want to get away from them. That is what they feel. And maybe you also feel this could be a mutual energy, but it is showing in their cards. So they feel that you are working towards a higher goal, working towards a much more fulfilling love. That is what they feel. And they feel a bit inadequate. This means they feel a bit inadequate. They also feel that uh, you are like the king of cups, or they themselves are the king of cups. They could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and they react. They don't react, they are discreet people. So they want you to be like this, or they want you to not get disturbed by everyday challenges in this love. So they themselves are very discreet. They don't let tumults of the love life disturb them. Maybe internally they are disturbed, but they don't manifest any drama. So that's why they want you as this kind of energy, or they themselves are this kind of energy. They are positively waiting for you. They have this positive waiting energy. If they are not able to meet you or not able to talk to you, they have this positive feeling that you are waiting for them or they are waiting for you. So it is again a mutual kind of relationship wherein both of you are in a distance. Both of you cannot get satisfaction in this love, and you are waiting for something to happen. Maybe you guys are waiting for a union. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying that mutually, what will happen is there will be change of heart, and the karma cycle will move. The karma cycle will go in your favor or their favor, and both of you can benefit from this. There will be reconciliation on the card mutually. That is what I am seeing. If there was a problem in this love life, I am also seeing that Ace of Pentacles is coming in. So a stability situation can come in this love. There can be an upgrade in this love. That is what I feel. There will be a surprise, or there can be a surprise introduction of some new love coming in your life. That is what I am seeing. So Magician card is coming in. This means that if you and your lover manifest each other, you will be able to make your dreams come true. So what are your feelings? You are looking at this person as the King of Swords. You think that this person is less on emotions and more on logic or truth. This person is always coming in as a logical person. This person is showing the energy of an intelligent person who looks at love very unemotionally. Or you are taking this mode of King of Swords, and you are a bit strict on this situation, and you are trying to keep yourself distanced in this love. I am seeing that you are feeling very, very burdened in this love. You feel that you have to always perform according to this person's expectations, and this is becoming very, very taxing for you. So you want to get out of this energy. You feel that there has been a loss in this love because of distance, because of fights, because of arguments, because of non-availability, or some kind of situation in this love. But angels are saying that the world is coming in. The whole situation will now change. The life cycle of this love, one phase is over now. and you will see that this is getting over, an upgrade will come, or a new love situation can happen for you, or in this love situation a new chapter can be opened, and you will feel the 9 of cups. You will feel that you are feeling your wishes have been fulfilled with this person as you turn the chapter in this love. That is what I see. Angels are saying the judgment is coming to you, judgment is happening. Like I said before, judgment is going to come. You will see the truth, and recovery will happen. Life force will be breathed into this love, or a new love or passion situation will come in your life, or this love. Angels are saying that any kind of problems or anything that shakes your foundation in this love situation, both of you are persons who are telepathic. It's your love is an old love. It can be love of the past lives or past situation, wherever, maybe old lover. You two are telepathic. You know what the other is thinking, and it is a very, very organic kind of love. That is what I see. Angels are saying whatever may be the problems, you will be able to get yourself out of any obstacle situation or challenge situation in this love, and go towards peace in this love, and both of you will be able to have a calmer, peaceful life, and both of you will be able to extricate yourself from obstacle situations in this love. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me regarding your love life, you can contact me through the comment box. If you want me to see in depth your love situation or your career situation or anything else, you can contact me for a personal private session. I will help you and give you a session if it is booked through the procedure. I will tell you what the procedure is. You just have to leave in a request in the comment box, and if you are missing my readings, you can hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. So that's it. Bye bye.